Hey, Ford diesel owners, ever had your truck through a weird P0000 code and wondered what on earth that means? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's break it down so you know exactly what's going on. If you've got a 2018 to 2020 F-150, a 2017 to 2022 Super Duty, or a 2016 to 2022 F-650 or F-750 with the 6.7L diesel, you might see this pop up on a scan tool. The P0000 is basically a no-code code. It's a glitch, not a real problem. Your check engine light won't come on, your truck won't act up, and there's no actual repair needed. This isn't a recall. And it's not even a technical service bulletin. It's a service message from Ford to dealers. The official word, if you see P0000, do nothing. Just ignore it or clear it if you want. Dealerships won't repair anything for this. And if you're searching forums or Reddit for a fix, you'll see the same thing. Folks confirming that P0000 is just a placeholder, often from basic scan tools or software bugs. It doesn't mean your truck is broken. So, bottom line, if that P0000 code shows up, don't stress. Your Ford diesel is totally fine. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Ford tips, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching.